Hello people, this is my Amiga 4000. This is an original 030. This is 25 megahertz and I have 2 megabyte of chip and 8 megabyte of fast. So here you see and I'm running room 3.0 and workbench 3.1. So what I want to show you is this very cool Prelude sound card that I found. It's like this replica on Amiga. It's at least one guy there selling those cards. Is still possible to get. This is Zorro 2 card, so you can use those cards with any like big box Amiga, or if you have like this Zorro slots. It's a quite big card. The very cool thing is that I also got this MPEG hardware decoding module, so I can play MP3 in the best possible quality without almost any CPU load. So now I'm loading AmigaAMP, and I will add let's hope we not get like this problem with the copyright music. Let me just try and load some John McLaughlin, and now it's playing. You can see that this is maybe louder. 320 kilobit per second, layer 3, 44.1 kilohertz. Just taking another song, and if we look here in tools, and here you can see CPU usage is like, you see, 17-18%. So that is quite great. So here is no problem to let's do some other stuff while playing. You just iconify. Yes, yeah, some pictures. Facet. Prowler here has some nice pictures. This is OCS pictures. Really good. Fantastic. 32 colors. Slayer made this one. It's also OCS. The sound quality is just fantastic. This is made from the guys that I made them make this picture. It's from Mike. let's see. That was also OCS. Maybe we can see look some. That's nice one. Oh, this is AGA. There's a lot of colors there. Okay, let's run some workbench games. This is, if you're playing this MP3, it's no stress. It's fantastic. And here you can also just add songs to the playlist. We can find some. This is from demo parties. And here it's an AmigaAMP. It's you can just repeat, all, equalizer, previous, next, stop also. Linear archive, that's fun. The workbench is 4 colors. Nothing. Enough of that. But it's nice. Linear archive. And Spider I like a lot. Library is very fun. If you don't play this one, you should try it.
What did I do that night? What did I do that night?
That was very bad cards I get this time.
See the dance floor
It's
is
nice
all
playing
clear.
cards and listen to music.
Let's get a whiskey sour. I can make beer
tune is from a
disappear.
It's very
What
nice.
is your superpower? Drinking can cause memory loss, or even worse,
I've been
memory
experienced
loss.
by,
I'll drink to that. Tonight I'll do a
Tetris.
tasting
It's nice.
of my favorite drink in the world.
Oops.
It's called a lot.
Okay, I put a link to Amiga. If you have a big box Amiga, you should check out this soundcard. It's great.
Don't give me that look.
If you're lucky, you can get some. You can make one for you.
What did I do that night? Seems like I just passed out.
Yeah. And good points.